Daily learning.
Hi, it's me. Same just like yesterday. We're gonna read and understanding a short and simple story. It's about something that connected to the sea. So, focus your mind and try to understand the whole story with me. Ready? Let's practice. My experience fishing in the sea with my dad. One of the most unforgettable moments in my life was the time I went fishing in the sea with my dad. I think it wasn't just about catching fish, but it was about spending real and quality time together, just the two of us. We left early in the morning while it was still dark. I remember feeling both sleepy and excited. Meanwhile, my dad had packed some sandwiches, drinks, and of course, all the fishing gear. My dad will drive the van we use. And me? I'm gonna sit at the back seat like a passenger princess. When we arrived, we headed to the sailing boat and then drive it to the sea. The salty sea breeze hit our faces as we rowed the small boat out into the open water. The sound of waves gently crashing against the boat was oddly calming. For a while, we just sat there in silence, enjoying the peace of the sea. Dad showed me how to hook the bait properly and throw the line in. I wasn't very good at it at first, but he was patient. He laughed when I messed up, but in a kind way that made me feel okay. Eventually, I caught my first fish. It wasn't big, but Dad cheered like I had just won a trophy. And since then, that moment really stuck in my heart. We talked a lot that day. About school, about his childhood, even about silly stuff like which fish looks the weirdest. I realized that my dad wasn't just dad. He was also a person with dreams, stories, and a great sense of humor. It felt like we understood each other better after that trip. As the sun began to set, painting the sky orange and pink, we packed up and headed back. My arms were tired, but my heart was full. I didn't just catch a fish that day, I caught memories I'll always treasure. So, that's all for today. I hope this diary a little bit helped you to improve your understanding in English. Keep practice every day, guys, and see you next time.